Hello, this is Lee and Dee from the Fishing Gardeners, and we're about to take our grapevines out of the pots right here, and we're going to go ahead and place them into the ground, and they're going to go over this man-made trellis that my hubby made. So that's what we're digging it out right there, and these are the grapevines, and basically that's the work we're doing right now. So we'll be bringing you back in on the middle and toward the end. Right now we're about to put some nice fresh soil down there. That soil has a lot of fertilizer in it already, as you can see the green fertilizer beads, which are slow time release. Yeah, here we go. So we'll be coming back with that chair. Okay, and this is the end result. We went ahead and put 3 of those pots in the ground. We left that one out. We're going to go ahead and give that one to a neighbor. And my husband fed it right on up the trellis. We went ahead and raised the trellis. So basically, when you come in, you have it just like this right here. Alright, so let's just bring you this little video. If you like it, go ahead and share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'm going to start updating more videos again because we're coming into this nice weather. Hopefully you're having a blessed day. Goodbye.